episode of Makeup for Beginners. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to do a smoky eye. So first step you'll need is a primer. I'm using the MAC Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. This is my favorite. And I'm just going to take a brush and apply this all over my eyes. Now, when you are doing a smoky eye, you want to do it first. So before you do your foundation, anything else, you want to do your smoky eyes first. That way, if you get any fallout under your eyes, you can just wipe that away with a makeup brush, clean it up, and you are all good to go. Alright, that's all done. Now, I like to use, I'm going to do a purple smoky eye for you guys. So I'm going to be using the Chi Chi OMFG 5 palette. This is a gorgeous palette. I absolutely love this palette. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take the lightest shade of the purple. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lids, like literally just all over my eyelids, and just blend that out. So you see I'm going backwards and forwards in circular motions. See, backwards and forwards. And a windshield wiper motion, and then I'm just doing circular motions as well. So it's all nice and blended. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, now that the base is all blended out, I'm going to take a little brush and I'm going to take the two darker shades of purple. So I'm going to take that purple and this purple. And I'm going to blend those two together. Just do a little mixy. Tap off the excess. And I'm going to apply that in my crease. Just to deepen it a little bit. So it looks like that. Don't worry, trust the process. Now, I'm going to take a fluffy big brush and we're just going to blend this out so it's nice and smooth. And I like to do this. I'm just taking just the NYX face glue setting spray, spraying my brush like this. And then I'm going to take the shimmery shadow right here. I'm just going to apply that all over the eyelid. Look how gorgeous this is. It's just gorgeous. Now if you do need to go back and do a little bit of touch up, just take the same brush that you used, just go backwards and forwards and blend it out. And I'm going to just take a teensy bit of this darker purple, just a little bit. I'm just going to put this in the crease. I'm going to darken it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to do my foundation and I will be right back. I'm back. I just finished doing my makeup and my brows. And now I'm going to apply some eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Now, if you have a little bit of trouble doing this, I have a really good trick. So you just take, I'm going to take the lightest shade here. So the lightest shade and a little bit of this shade. Mix those two together. Tap off the excess. Now how I do it is I literally stare at my mirror and have a staring contest. Like this. Easy. Go backwards and forwards. And that's how I smoke up my lower lash line. Just going to apply a little bit of the dark color. Just a little bit. So that's how I do my smoky eye. I'm just going to apply some some mascara. But before I do that, I have another trick. So if you don't want to get mascara on the tops of your eyes and on the bottom of your eyes, I have a trick. Set your makeup first. I'm using the MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Setting Spray. You can use any setting spray you like. Oh, I'm gonna apply some highlighter first before I do that. Using the Master Chrome in Rose Gold, because this stuff is absolutely gorgeous. I'm putting on the high points of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Alright, so now I'm going to set my makeup. Okay, now I'm going to take my mascara. I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. I'm just going to blink. If you have trouble putting on your mascara, do this. Blink. 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 I learned that trick from my second cousin when she was doing my makeup one time. And I usually do that for my bottom lashes as well, and it's a good little hack. Especially if you're a beginner applying mascara, it's a good little trick to do. Just put the wand under your lashes and blink. Now I like to use two mascaras. I'm using the MAC Stack Mascara as well because I love mixing my mascaras. Just a little bit of this. And we're done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Bye guys.